Expanding on the principles mentioned earlier, let's dive deeper into the topic of building a meaningful connection with a woman and creating the conditions that can lead to love. It's important to remember that relationships should be approached with care, honesty, and mutual respect. While there is no formula to make someone fall in love with you, there are qualities and behaviors that can help foster a deep connection and a lasting relationship. 1. Confidence, the foundation of attraction. Confidence is universally attractive, but it's important to distinguish between confidence and arrogance. Confidence comes from self-assurance and comfort with who you are, whereas arrogance stems from insecurity and the need to prove something. True confidence allows you to project positivity and security, making you someone others naturally want to be around. How to build confidence? Self-improvement. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself by engaging in self-improvement activities. This could include improving your physical health, learning new skills, or working on your career. When you take pride in what you do and strive for personal growth, it shows. Own your imperfections. Accepting and even embracing your flaws makes you more relatable. Perfection is unattainable, and when you're comfortable with your imperfections, it sends a message of self-assurance. Women are often drawn to men who are comfortable in their own skin. Positive body language, the way you carry yourself, says a lot about your confidence. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. These subtle gestures signal self-assuredness and make you more approachable. 2. Genuine interest. Cultivate curiosity. When you're genuinely interested in someone, it shows in your words and actions. Developing a genuine curiosity about a woman's life, interests, and opinions is one of the easiest ways to build rapport and make her feel valued. Ways to show genuine interest. Active listening. One of the most important skills in any relationship is the ability to listen. Pay close attention to what she says and ask thoughtful follow-up questions. Avoid interrupting or steering the conversation back to yourself. Women appreciate when they feel truly heard. Ask open-ended questions. Open-ended questions encourage deeper conversations. Instead of asking, "Did you have a good day?" you could ask, "What was the highlight of your day?" This invites her to share more and gives you the chance to learn more about her life. Remember details, showing that you remember little things she mentioned in previous conversations, like her favorite book or an upcoming event she's excited about, shows that you're paying attention and that you care. 3. Be kind and compassionate. Kindness is often underrated in modern dating culture, but it's one of the most attractive qualities anyone can have. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel good, and kindness is a key component in building a strong emotional connection. Compassion means not only caring about someone's well-being, but also actively contributing to it. How to practice kindness? Be thoughtful. Small gestures can have a big impact. This doesn't mean grand romantic gestures all the time, but rather, everyday acts of consideration. For example, surprising her with her favorite snack, sending a thoughtful message to check in on her day, or remembering a special date can make her feel valued. Be supportive. Being emotionally supportive is essential in building a strong bond. When she shares something difficult or exciting, show empathy. If she's facing challenges, offer a listening ear or a helping hand. Avoid judgment. Everyone has their quirks, insecurities, and past experiences. Accepting her for who she is and encouraging her growth without judgment is a sign of deep respect and care. Example: let's say she's had a stressful day at work. Instead of brushing it off or offering quick fixes, be empathetic. Say something like, "That sounds really tough. I'm sorry you're dealing with that. Do you want to talk more about it, or would you prefer to just relax and do something fun?" This shows that you're there for her, without trying to minimize her feelings. 4. Have ambition and passion. Women often appreciate a man who has goals and passion in life. Whether it's your career, hobbies, or personal growth, having drive makes you interesting and gives you purpose. Share your goals, talk about what excites you and what you're working towards in life. Include her in your journey. If you're passionate about something, show her why it's important to you and how she can be a part of it. 5. Respect her boundaries. Respect is key in any relationship. Pushing someone to do something they're uncomfortable with or not respecting their personal space will damage trust and make her less interested in you. Understand consent. Never pressure her into anything she isn't ready for, whether it's physical intimacy or making big commitments. Give her space. Sometimes people need time alone or with their friends and family. Respecting that space is important for a healthy dynamic. 6. Maintain a sense of humor. Humor can be a great way to build a connection and relieve tension. Sharing laughter helps bond people and can make you more memorable. Don't be afraid to be goofy. It's okay to let loose and have fun. It shows that you're comfortable in your own skin. Know when to be serious. While humor is great, it's important to balance it with genuine, meaningful conversations. 7. Be honest and trustworthy. Honesty is the foundation of any strong relationship. If you want her to fall in love with you, building trust is essential. Keep your promises. Follow through on what you say you'll do. Reliability builds trust. Be open about your intentions. Let her know what you're looking for in a relationship. Honesty prevents misunderstandings and shows that you're serious about her. 8. Be emotionally available. Emotional intelligence and the ability to communicate feelings effectively can make a big difference in how someone feels about you. Share your emotions. Don't be afraid to talk about your feelings or be vulnerable. It makes you more relatable and deepens the connection. Be empathetic. Try to understand her emotions and experiences. Emotional support fosters a deep bond. 9. Work on building a friendship first. Romantic relationships built on a foundation of friendship tend to last longer because there's mutual respect, understanding, and genuine enjoyment of each other's company. Focus on connection. Build a rapport by sharing experiences, inside jokes, and meaningful conversations. Don't rush the romance. Let things evolve naturally rather than forcing a relationship. The best relationships grow from mutual interest over time. 10. Take care of your appearance. Physical attraction is part of the equation, and while looks aren't everything, taking care of your appearance shows that you respect yourself and want to present the best version of yourself. Practice good hygiene. Basic grooming, cleanliness, and dressing well can make a big difference. Be healthy. Regular exercise and a balanced diet not only improve your physical appearance but also boost your energy and confidence. Final thoughts? Instead of thinking about how to get someone, focus on how to become the best version of yourself, someone who is caring, respectful, and emotionally intelligent. Building a strong connection based on mutual respect, shared values, and understanding is what truly makes someone fall in love.